On September 16, 2021, the officer in charge of Madanryting police station had received information that an armed robbery had taken place in the late afternoon of the same day, wherein two masked men had tried to forcefully ask the lady branch manager to open the strong room. Unfortunately, they were only able to escape with rupees 10,000 which they had looted from the branch manager, and also managed to take with them the DVR of the CCTV to prevent detection. The officer in charge of Madanryting police station, S. Kharbuli, immediately initiated an investigation into the case, and on 21st September 2021, the team was able to nab a 25-year-old suspect, Heavy Jones Kurkalang, from Pomlakrai, Mautharia area, and on his lead, a 23-year-old accomplice, Shining Star Walang, was arrested from Wakadat, Dongpala and Madanryting. A press release from the East Khasi Hills SP, Sylvester Nongtenger, informed that further interrogation of the arrested would take place to ascertain their involvement in other criminal activities. A charge sheet on the particular case would be submitted very soon, police sources informed.